Mom, do you want to be in the vlog?
Do I want to be in the vlog?
Yeah.
Hi.
Where are we going now?
We are going to go on a hike. Way to the top of the mountain.
No. We're going to the main village area and they have all these booths set up for the 4th of July. So we're going to walk.
We're going shopping.
Over there. Yeah. Oh, look at those lights. I like that one. So we are back. We went on we ended up not really hiking. We went to check out these booths. I didn't end up filming very much because this thing died. But anyways, we are back. We let the dogs here, so we took the dogs on a walk. We ate some pizza. I had so much pizza. I'm like done with pizza. Also, I got a henna. It's starting to come off on that. Good morning, afternoon-ish. I don't know what time it is. But we are still in Mammoth. We are going to head out on a hike today. I barely vlogged yesterday because a ton of people came in. So instead of just being us here, there's 3 other families here now. So we are going on a hike with my mom and then 2 other people. Everyone else is out mountain biking. Didn't really want to mountain bike, so I'm here, and that's the plan. Oh, there are so many bugs. This hike is so cool. Oh, bug. Ew. Hi! Hi, you guys! Hi! So, we are back from hiking. Here's a dog. Now we're gonna go to this Hawaiian restaurant, which is apparently super good. We are walking to the restaurant, which is this way. Woo! Well, the boys left, so I'm just gonna eat it all.
I've been shocked.
The fireworks are starting and Max is so scared. Oh, come here. Yes, the fireworks are cool. I mean, they're just like any other fireworks. I'm not gonna watch them because I'm gonna see the epic fireworks show tomorrow. We always go to Crowley Lake and we check out the fireworks and they're so awesome. Our friends used to, like, they would plan all the fireworks and they still kind of use their plans. They don't work there anymore. But the fireworks They're so fun. Last year we went in our old RV, and it started pouring. Lightning struck 1,000 feet away from us. We were the only people in an RV. Everybody else was like barbecuing outside, so they're all scrambling into their like cars and stuff, and we're just sitting in our RV making brownies, eating pizza, just watching all these poor people getting soaked. It was kind of funny. That's kind of mean, but it was kind of funny. But now I'm going to stay with the dogs because Max doesn't like the fireworks, and I'm going to get ready for bed.